Hey, this is Ron with Back 40 Farms with a Back 40 Farms Friday Fun Fact for you, the BFFFFFU. What? So, have you ever wondered, well, most people get these from the store. Shame on you for buying it from a store. But have you ever wondered what makes different colored eggs? See the difference? And you'll notice that even brown eggs have a different hue. So, what does make different colored eggs? Well, it's the Easter Bunny. No, I'm just kidding. So, the color is based on the breed of the hen that actually lays the egg. Now, all eggs start out as white when it's being formed. It also takes 26 hours for the egg to travel down through the chicken and 20 hours for the shell to fully develop. You may have heard that you can tell the color of the egg by the color of the chicken's earlobes. One, I don't know where earlobes are on a chicken, and I don't know where their ears are, but you can find them. So the chicken that laid this, their earlobes were probably red, because white earlobes is white, red earlobes is actually brown or blue. But basically the color is dependent on that. But also, as the egg travels down the chicken, that's a really big chicken. It's not what happens, but picture it being this. This is the white egg. As it travels down, it's pretty much spray painted with the color. So you will notice, now, have you ever tried to spray paint like two things and you're like, this one's darker than this and I can't quite get it's no different with the chicken. So there is different shades, although they look very similar. There's a couple hues off. This is a better example. See the difference there? Plus, whoever laid that needs to go to the gym. That's a little small one. Now that's pretty similar, but you have light, a little bit darker, a little bit darker. And if I were to lay them all out, these two are pretty close, but you have a wide range. So it's not always this dark or the same color, which is kind of cool. And after having 39 chickens, I now understand what an Easter egg hunt is, because we've found eggs not only where they should be, but we've found them in flower pots, in the driveway, and on the ground. So, next time you eat an egg from Back 40 Farms, know that they're free-range chickens, and they get nothing but healthy, normal, fun stuff. Now, you might be asking yourself, I've heard the brown eggs are much more healthy than the white eggs. Absolutely false. Nutritional value, no different. Color of the egg does not indicate healthy or more healthy or less healthy. The last thing that I'll leave you with is, if you had a blue, we don't have any blue yet, but if you had a blue egg and you cracked it open and you looked on the inside of the eggshell, it too would actually be all blue. So the blue egg goes inside and outside of the shell, which is pretty cool. If you broke this, it would be white on the inside. So just a little bit of information on how eggs get their color, and that is your Back 40 Farms Friday Fun Fact for you.